What's up, C Squad? It's Nigel C.
And Daddy C.
Dad and son.
Kick Talk.
Today we're kick talking about
a topic I wanted to discuss now that we are past Travis Scott, lost and found restocks and shock drops and all those things, right?
the waters have settled.
Yeah, the waters have settled. So now we can talk about some situations that have come about in the sneaker sphere. So first off, before we get into that, if it's their first time here, Nigel, what should they do?
You know that you need to ring that notification bell because you know we got the heat. You know you want it, so ring it, get it. That's what it is. Man.
There you go. There you go. And if you've been here before, thanks for coming back. We appreciate you rocking, driving us up. We well into the 3,000s. We pushing the 5K, 10K by the end of 2023. I'm calling it, claiming it. That's what we're going to do.
Yeah.
All right.
For sure.
So grab that for me, man. So we're talking about these guys, lost and founds, right? So there has been some stories. If you've been, plugged into the sneaker Twitter, IG, and those types of things, and BR Kicks posted a story about a week ago. That was actually 5 days ago from the date of this recording. And they said that customers that hit on the lost and found Air Jordan 1 restock are getting their pairs with mold on them. So you remember back in November with the initial drop, they were the mold Air Force Ones, right? The air mold.
Right.
Because we got some mold on these,
right.
Dealt with Nike. Nike was giving refunds to people, stuff like that. So now that we just had this restock, which we able to hit on another pair, hit on for a homie, we want to see, did Nike give us the same batch of moldy pairs, or they just pulling from the same supply that they had inventory from before? Because, when this BR Kick story drop, I was like, there's no way that they hit on the drop, got the shoes that quick, and had mold. So I was calling, as y'all like to say, what?
Bluff.
Yeah, or what's the other thing that y'all
Cap.
say? Yeah, I was calling cap. I hate to say it because I'm too old for that. But I was like, how's this story official? Because it's so quick. Like Nike doesn't ship overnight. Not, you can pay for expedited shipping, but I have yet to receive a pair of shoes like a day or two after I hit on them, And this story was like super quick out in the world.
Nike must have just pulled that shoe out from the mold stock and just sent it something.
I don't know, or somebody just wants some clout. So that just posting pictures of something from before. So that's what we want to see.
That's what we're trying to validate today.
Yeah.
See if the claims are true.
That's right.
See if Nike is still putting out the moldy pairs.
That's
or
it.
if they got their act together and people just capping.
There we go. All right, Nigel. So I think one way to verify this is let's get those shoes out of the box. So this is again from the initial drop in November 22, my size 11, right? You see that on the label there? All right, we got that.
Yep.
Get the box. And these are still in the box. Here we go. This is box directly from Nike. It had a little piece of tape on it that had Nike on it. Come on. I was just trying to pull them in the shot. All right, so
this take these fresh new pairs out.
Yep.
This is the restock pair.
Just received these like 2 days ago. All right.
And we're gonna see if Nike really got their act together right now.
Yep. And I hit on these for one of my homies, my guy Mike, size 12. That's my size 11.
I wear size 12 too.
I know. These were for
Just saying.
the homie. These are paid for it and gone out the door, man.
They still in our door though.
You like, let me give you that money back and I'll keep them. Can't do that, man. I made promises. All right. So one way to look at them is to check first we're gonna look at them and just see if we see any signs of visual mold or anything.
All right.
And then also check the batch, like production dates inside on the label. All right. So let's see what we got here, man.
All right. Just in case. Cover your nose.
Oh,
cover your mouth.
Little good moldy pairs.
Let's see.
This man's holding his breath. Don't touch him on the collar too much, because that's where it was, right? Can you get it? Ever so delicately. Take those out. Beautiful shoe.
Let's see.
Don't see anything on the outside.
I don't see it. Nah, me neither.
All right.
Let's open this collar up. All right.
Let's show it to the folks, man. The folks at home. So this is the latest restock pair, size 12.
And I'm not
looking clean.
not seeing too much.
Anything around that black inside collar. See that good there? And that's one shoe. Try the other.
Oh yeah.
Try the other shoe.
You never know. I think we good on that one though.
Yeah, that one looks clean.
Let's see. Any really apparent visual mold? No.
Not seeing anything.
You don't see anything there? I don't see nothing too bad, Dad.
It looks clean?
Yeah.
All right.
It's pretty clean to me.
All right. So now we can check the labels inside. Let me compare them to my size 11 pair. 1 second. Hey, put that all jacked up in here. Now again, this pair, when I got them, did have some small signs of mold on them. So yeah, I was right on the horn with Nike. Nike said, okay, no problem, we'll refund you that. So this turned out to be a free pair of lost and found, which is one of the best things I've ever seen Nike do.
That's crazy. That's fire.
Yeah.
Worth the mold.
Well, so these had a little bit of mold before that I saw that cleaned up before.
So it's all
they
gone
still
now.
nice and clean now.
Good.
Yeah, I was like, man, I ain't want no mold growing on these shoes. So I had a couple packs of those silica gel packs afterward to kind of come in like other shoes. Where is it?
Is that? Do those get rid of mold?
They absorb moisture.
Ah.
So that's why you see those sometimes in shoes for these guys. Yeah, these, you
Yeah.
know, you see these in like your dress
everywhere.
shoes and some other types of sneakers. Not definitely not Nikes, but they should just start putting those in. They have that little
Might as
green
well.
sticker that supposedly inhibits mold, but apparently not.
Apparently not.
So, all right. Anyway, these shoes, and yeah, yours look a lot more white on the bottom, man. They
Oh,
gave
yeah.
you more like that vintage treatment. Like
It is
mine
more vintage.
are kind of light.
Yeah.
Where yours are a lot
It
different.
definitely is way more white on the bottom.
Yeah, these are like almost just regular red for the most part.
But the rest. Did they put more vintageness on the restock?
Vintageness.
Did they vintage
I don't
it
know.
more?
My crackle on here is a little stronger looking. I don't know.
Oh, that one, yeah.
This one is like really cracked up, where this is a little lighter.
This one, yeah. That one looks like a actual like crackle. This looks like a printed like,
Yeah,
you know.
it is. Where this is like you can see it from the side, like it's textured. This one, but this one looks similar to that.
Yeah.
And again, inconsistencies, you know, in sneakers is real. This one you can always see that. Handmade goods. All right, so now let's look at the label, man. Let's see if are these the same production dates.
Huh.
So on my label,
Got a really fat check.
yeah, I'm just trying to see, is it like the same stock in inventory?
Where's that?
So the little label inside, dude, is at the top. You'll see it in there, the little Jumpman and the code DZ, blah, blah, blah.
All right.
Under that, you see some dates. My batch, but again, this is from November 22. It says 2/2/22 to 5/25/22. So these were made May of 22. When's this batch?
Mine says 2/2/22 to 5/25/22.
So literally like the same
Literally the
run
exact same
of
dates.
production. Right. Now, maybe these were like pairs for the restock. Maybe they were stored somewhere different, stored differently.
Maybe.
What y'all think? I mean, we saw pictures of like a warehouse. I remember like right before the restock. And it was a warehouse that looked like it had like 1 million pairs in it. Like pallets and pallets of lost and found. So I don't know.
So
I mean,
those were moldy. That
Yeah.
first drop was moldy.
yeah.
These were sitting in the same warehouse right next to those shoes.
Or maybe they were stored differently. Maybe these were in another warehouse.
These were in the restock warehouse.
Right. The excess. You know, the you know, like when you go to church, you go into like the main sanctuary, and when it's real full, they put you in that. What is it called? The overflow. They put you in the overflow. Usually just some chairs in like a random room.
A TV
Right.
playing the service.
Right. So these may have been in the overflow warehouse, where these were in that initial drop warehouse. But again, clean pair.
They are.
They turned out good. You know, my man's not gonna be mad at them. And I don't see any signs. Like these had like some white dots and things inside the collar, some little fuzz growing.
Yeah,
Where these are like pristine.
These are straight, man.
Yeah, they're like straight up.
Yes.
Good to go. So
Hey man, whoever you got those, oh my god. Whoever you got these for, bruh, enjoy them. Because these are a size 12, so lucky I'm letting these leave the crib.
I'm sorry, but I mean, I know you like them, but it wasn't like, you know, like a must for you.
It wasn't, so it's fine.
You know, down the road, maybe. Down the road,
These-
baby.
I'll hand these to you peacefully.
All right, my
you go.
man. All right, so that's where we at, y'all.
Yeah.
The shoes look clean, restocked.
Still 10s.
Yeah, hit us on Instagram. Let us know how yours pairs turned out. Hit us in the comments.
Yes, sir.
We'll see you on the next one. Peace.